Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah, secular Shura started. Do prayers and also remember me, your precious prayers. Jazakallah. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for such daily reminders and don't forget to press the bell icon.